how to add header in Wix Studio. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to add a header. Now typically when you create an empty canvas or an empty page, there will be automatically an empty header over here. As you can see, it's very empty, there's no designs or whatever. The menus are not populated. But if you're not satisfied with the design, you can easily add a new header by clicking on our add elements over here on the top left. In this add new element section, we could see or we could search over here at the top. We could simply search for header and we can click on sections or headers. It's found under sections over here, and you will be able to see all kinds of different designs for a header over here. So we can simply select the one that we like, and you will be able to easily input it into your website over here, as you can see. Now we could put it wherever you want, or you can delete this one over here at the top if you prefer. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.